Okay, internet, let me show you how to center an element in your web page. First, we need to create a small object and create empty object or any object that you want. I give it a class block, a box, and let's add a style. And in the style, let's link the style to the HTML. So let's say link and it's CSS. Okay, let's go to the style now and target the box. So let's target the box. And for this box, let's say that we want to have some box shadow and we want to add some padding for separ the border to the content. Let's come back and target the body. Let's give a different background color for the body to see our content. Our web page is now, and let's come back to the box and add some property to see our box. Let's give it some weight and some height, 100 pixels, and same thing for the height. Let's add it some background color and we will use white. And now our box is on the top, on the left top. Okay, we want to center the box on the web page horizontally and vertically. How we can do this? So for make this with the element that we want to center, and in our case is a box. So let's target a box and say that we want a top of 50%, margin left of 50% too, and nothing will change at this rate. And let's add some properties from transform, and let's say that I want to translate and I want to make some space of 50% of for the top and for the left. If you update, nothing will change. And for see will change, you need to add the property, the position property to the box. Give a property, give a property position, and make the position to be absolute. And it will be absolute of the body and it will be in the center. So it's like this that you can make for center an element on your web page. Some duration for the transaction, and let's add the over property. Let's say that on over we want to have a width of 50 pixels and the height of 50 pixels. Now let's go to browser, and now when we come on the box you have this smooth animation. It's pretty good and you can try it. Okay, thank you. Now you know how to center an element on your web page.